Next item is the refrigerator. It's a three-way refrigerator. That's what most RVs have, and that means it can run on 12 volt DC off the batteries. It can run on 120 volt or 240 volt depending how it's set up. That's when you plug into shore power with your extension cord. And the third thing is it can run on LPG, basically propane. Don't forget, if you're troubleshooting the refrigerator, it is completely silent except for the initial click. Lift on this like that. Pull the top away, you see the little tabs. For rust here, and if you look up here, you see rust, and you follow that up, and you see a damaged refrigerator vent. So that can let extra water in here and can cause problems, not only with this, but with the wiring and stuff. So I'm going to remount this. Like I said, I'm going to grease up the screws, and I've got the vent over here. I put a second coat of paint on it. You can't really see it in the light. Maybe you can. Is loose here because even when it's screwed in all the way, it's not tight. Each contact I took off one at a time. I added these little zip ties to bundle these, and just to keep wires away from metal or sharp corners. Using the hot glue gun to glue one washer behind each of these, and that tightened this up, and that way it's not relying on the caulk in order to hold it in place. It's just going to be to seal it. The problem is when things move or flex, it can end up cracking the caulk, and then you get leaks. You can see this white frame, other than the dirt I got on here, came out nice, and this was just done with a brush. Painted the plywood right here just to help protect it, because this is semi-open. I ran the refrigerator overnight, no problem. This got warm, everything's cold in the refrigerator and working good. Before I put this on, I just wanted to show you I painted the inside, and you might ask why. No one's going to see it, but the reason is sunlight comes in through here, and it'll damage the plastic even on the inside, make it brittle. I painted over the decal, and you can see the outline of it there. I would say total time for this project was about 3 hours, but it's important to remember just the cooling coil itself is $600. And a new refrigerator is almost $2,000. Finally, be sure to run your refrigerator several times a year to prevent clogging in the coils. Even though it's 24 years old, this refrigerator runs like it's brand new.